have opened the saffron tea. The quality is extremely great. You can see the yellow fibers in it, but the darker the spine of the saffron flower, which is this part here. You see the saffron flower, you see the red and the yellow spine. Okay, this is what is in here. This is the yellow and the red spine. I put my crystal here because I need to be crystallized in my heart, body, and soul. Because right now, this saffron tea is healing me, and I'm on the go and I'm in Tim Hortons. That's why it's loud. So now I'm going to enter the saffron tea into the hot scalding water. As you can see, it will turn yellow automatically. Now the spine of the saffron tea. You see again the yellow and the red spines. And this is why it's going to turn yellow automatically. You see? Now I will let this sit for about 20 minutes and let it infuse. And then I will add the honey. But what I like to do is I like to add the honey while it's hot because I like the total infusion idea. So as you can see what's happening now, the saffron spines are infusing into the water. And now I don't have a measuring cup with me, so I just have to use the honey. And I've been using honey my whole life, so I just will be pouring the honey, and you will see the honey as I pour. How much honey I will be using. I use quite a bit. I don't use sugar, but now I have sugar cane that is actually infused with the saffron flower. So my sugar is rock candy and it is yellow. Now I have a flowing cup, and in the bottom is this gorgeous black honey from Greece. And I will be enjoying this very shortly, but I'm going to let it sit for approximately 20 minutes. See the honey dripping before I use it. Now this is how I have to have my saffron tea on the run. But when I'm at home, I put it in a gorgeous teapot, stainless steel or silver. I do not use these going out cups, but I have no choice. I'm on the run. I'm in Tim Hortons, and I refuse to drink their cheap tea. Signing off right now with Soul Body at Tim Hortons.